Here I am in the dark. I'm going to turn the scooter on, and then the lights should come on automatically. You ready? I've lowered the handlebars a bit as well. Can't even see the switch. Is that it? There he goes. On you come. Lights on. Pressed it again to get a 0 start. Have I got 0 start? I have. Ooh, how do I feel about these lower handlebars? Oh, I think they feel straighter as well. We're going to go in the dark on the Bogist C1 to get my Amazon parcel. Let's go. I didn't include this in the first video, but it pulls really well in eco mode. Like this hill, literally, every time I leave the house, I have to go up this little hill, and all the other scooters really struggle. Now I'm going to put it in, whoa, high mode now, and up this hill, it's going up it like I'm on my unicycle. Now obviously, it's quite bright here, so I think what I'll do, once I've got the parcel, I'll go somewhere that's a bit darker. Ooh. Off I go. It feels so weird sitting down being on a scooter. I feel like I've actually got my own little motorbike type thing. Oh god, it's cold. I mean, it's really feels. So that brake, the front brake is weird. I thought that was the front brake. It's not, is it? The e-brake in this is odd. Because I'm holding a brake lever, so it feels like I should be pulling like a normal disc brake or something, but then it doesn't treat it like a disc brake. It just doesn't feel like a normal brake. I'm not used to it. Oh, this is so much better low down. I can't believe I didn't do this before. I felt unstable in my first impressions with the high steering column, handlebars. Feels so much better now. I'm going to be careful around this corner because there could be someone coming the other way. No, we're all right. So remember, the lights on this is automatic, so you can't turn it on and off. I have to get a view of what it looks like in a bit. Ooh. 5057. Is it 64057? Hope so. Yeah. There we go. Anything else? No, I've got to put that up my back. Let's get a view of the scooter. Looks pretty cool. Oop. Someone do the old scrappy. Hopefully there's a thumbnail in there somewhere. Flow state stabilisation of the Insta360. Right, let's go. Kickstand in. I love this scooter. I think it's my favourite one. And I'm feeling the low down now. I'm feeling the seat, having a saddle. Oh, what happened then? Oh yeah, I think because if you touch the brake on a scooter, it cuts out the throttle. Something weird happened then to make me slow down. I'm not sure. I feel like I need some nighttime rider glasses. The throttle is actually can be quite smooth. I won't bother with the lights and shoot across this. Meow. I'm still unsure what I think of the spongy suspension saddle. It feels a bit like it's kind of comfortable, but it feels like it's going to break. Right, let's go left. Let's go left. I don't know what battery's doing. Okay, if I go the kind of the wrong way around, I might be able to find some a bit darker. The lights seem pretty good. Oh, that brake is just weird. Oh, there we go. I think because the brake I'm using is connected to the motor, it's like the motor's having like some sort of internal struggle. It's like, am I meant to be making him go, or am I meant to be making him stop? I don't know. Because I rarely use the brake on the side where the accelerator's on. I know I probably should, but I don't. So fast I can go down here. Let's get some low down. Whoa, some weird scrapey noise. I had the screws off earlier trying to straighten the handlebars. Right, let's go left. Don't usually go that way. Is it dark down there? Not really. I'll tell you what would be nice. Like on the iX4, it's got those side lights and indicator lights as well. They're pretty cool. Right, we're nearly back now. So I'm going to go to the dark section where there's no lights. Just up here. What's it going to be like up this? Whoa! Yeah, it's dark over here. Should I go this way? I could go down. That's like really dark down there. That looks scary. This bit isn't quite as dark as I thought it was. So, yeah, this is actually a lot lighter than I thought it was. No, this bit. Here. There we go. That's quite good, isn't it, that? But, having seen that other bit, should we go the other way? Let's go to that other bit. I'll turn around. I'll go down the proper dark bit. You know, if like police came or something like that, I feel like because I'm sitting down, I could pretend to be pedalling. My wing mirror shows me that no cars are coming. Right, let's go down the murder path. I do love this wing mirror. Right, I'm going to cross here and go backwards on myself. Right, okay, this is proper dark alley kind of scary stuff now. So let's go. Whoa, this isn't good. I hope the camera's picking this up because I don't want to do this again. This is kind of scary. How am I going to see a person? Yeah, I don't like this. Blind corner. Right, no one's coming. I mean, you know, who'd be out this time of night? Alright, I'm just going to go left and go home. Oh, God. Do you know what I haven't done the ski? I haven't checked out the suspension. That's quite good. Doesn't bottom out. I'm a heavy dude. Well, I'm not that heavy. I'm heavy for a normal person. whatever normal is, as in the norm, you know. Right, let's go this way. Let's have a look at the school with all the funny lights, and then we'll go home. Right, last little bit, home stretch now. I am very much enjoying riding the scooter. How fast am I going? 35 kilometers, not miles per hour. I'm basically just keeping up with traffic now, even though there's no traffic, because, you know, it's night time. This is pretty cool. So, 38. Can you get it higher? This is on flat ground. It's making funny noises. Don't poo out on me. I feel like I'm going pretty fast, but I think I'm probably going about 23 miles an hour or something. So it's not mega fast. I've been over 38 on this. I've been up to 46 on this, but the voltage is down a bit. So maybe on a full charge. Oh, they're indicating left. I need to get up the curve. Keep going. Don't be police. Nope, just a normal car. Anyone coming? Nope. Let's go. Punch it. Oh, that's where they live. Right, well, this was the Bogist C1 night ride. Hopefully you could see it. Sorry, C1 Pro. Sorry to be taking your Pro off you. Hopefully you'll be able to see something when this video... Oh, 41. 41. 42. This is like quite flat. This is a good speed test. 43, I think I just did. 43, yes. Can I get to 44? Do I hear 44? Coming up to a bend. Low down. And that's slow down. No, it looks like 43. Not bad though. Not bad at all. So yeah, final stretch. So yeah, I'll say goodbye. That was fun. I enjoyed that. Nice to get the nice fresh air flowing through my ears. So if you enjoyed that night ride of the Bogist C1 Pro, feel free to hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. That brake pulls hard, you know. I'm going to go on the curb for this car. There we go. Keep going, little car dude. Oh yeah, and the full review of this lovely little scooter will be coming soon on my other channel, the VRC. So yeah, take care of yourselves. Ride safe.